Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to free up your phone storage and fix memory errors on your phone. So let's continue our video and see what I do for my memory errors. You can see I have big memory problem on my device. Now I am going to clean my storage.
Disclaimer. This channel does not provide any illegal, copyrighted or adult content. All videos are made for educational purposes only. All contents are created by me using my knowledge, time and experience.
So guys, I am going to fix my memory errors without root. Everyone doesn't have root access, so I am going to show you how to fix memory errors without root access. First of all, you must need some application to fix your memory errors. First one is all-in-one toolbox, and also second one is virtual Xposed. First of all, you must open your all-in-one toolbox application. Now go to SD card option and go to device storage analyzer option. Now you can see it will be analyzing my device storage, so I am going to explain Visual Xposed. Now open this application. This is an third-party Xposed application. You can install the application for your external storage from using this application. There are one tutorial I already made for this, how to use this application when you are installing games on your Android device. You can use this application to link your obbs and data files to your SD card from using this application. You can see my all obbs and data files in external SD card from using this application likewise. So I am going to explain how to clean up your storage. Now open your all-in-one toolbox, then you can see your storage like this. You can delete unnecessary files from your storage like this. If you have some unnecessary files on your device storage, you can move these files onto your external SD card. You can select these files and delete it. If you want to move these files to SD card, you can use your original file manager. Then find your download folder. Now you can see all files. You can choose your unnecessary files like this. If you want to use these applications and files once again, you can move these apps to your SD card. And also you can see my Android folder have some big files too, so I'm going to delete office page. You can delete these files like this. Now I am not going to delete this because my necessary documents here, but you can use delete these unnecessary files. You can see my step folder. This database folder is necessary because it's a offline backup. If you don't want to backup of your WhatsApp, you can delete this backup, and also you can delete unnecessary media files from this. You can delete these files too, but now I am not going to delete those files. I am going to move those files into my SD card. So let's continue our video after I do that. Now you can see there are 790 MB I have, so you can easily change your Google Chrome download folder to your SD card. Select SD card and done. This is your new download path. And also you can move your whole application to SD card without root like this. Go to your setting and application manager, then go to SD card option, select any one of any application like this, then click on move to SD card option. Now I'm going to apply my root method. So let's see after I apply that settings how much storage I have on my device. Now I applied my root method, so I am going to show you how much storage I have. You can see there are 1.5 GB available on my device storage. I use this App2SD application with root access for free of my storage. If you want to know about this App2SD application and virtual Xposed application, you can find those tutorials from this video description. So if you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and join with me. You can see there are many applications. I have linked my SD card using this application. (282 MB), 186 MB moved to my SD card using this application, 175 MB. You can see. Likewise, all these applications are moved to my SD card without having any problem. if you use in this application, there are no problems. You can use this application. You can find, and also you can find that tutorial from this video description. So thank you.